Welcome back to tnews and you are with Harshit. Tnews is truly bringing the technology connect at one stop and also standing unique in its presentation. The news for the day is 5 years of service completion. Technical Hub is leading successfully in helping the student fraternity since years. The team working with also led a milestone in their career. The development team of Technical Hub, Mr. Bhupati, Mr. Narsimha and Mr. Sunil have completed 5 years of their experience, and the CEO of Technical Hub, Mr. Babji, has appreciated their service with a momentum and also gave them a cash prize of 5,000 rupees each. He said that their services are enormous and the software they develop are being used by most of the trainees. The next news is Cisco Instructor Excellence Award. The Cisco Networking Academy has been transforming the lives of students, learners and communities through the power of technology, education and career opportunities. Prestigious Cisco Networking Academy has presented the above and beyond Instructor Award to the CEO of Technical Hub, Mr. Babji Neelam, for making a positive impact on the student and the instructor community and exemplary contribution to the Cisco Networking Academy. The next news, April monthly coding contest winner. Technical Hub has announced its monthly coding contest for winners and appreciated their performance. Trainees are truly getting benefited through the coding contest and awaits the next contest. Trainees are inculcating the team spirit in them and it helps in being so competitive in their upcoming events. Trainees pay an extra attention in the contest to get selected. The next news is 60 successful days of All Coder ends by 17th of May. The most happening program All Coder is likely to complete 60 days of its training by 17th of May. Trainees were trained on aptitude, reasoning, verbal and also on the technical part. Trainees showed their keen interest and also giving their best in solving the numbers of program too. Moving to the next news, 2 lakh programs submitted on Coldmine platform. The trainees of Technical Hub sets a milestone and stays unique. After the AppLogic 1.6 plus million test, now trainees have submitted 2 lakh programs on Coldmine platform, which is a huge success for the Coldmine as well as the trainers of Technical Hub. The unique content on Coldmine platform is helping the student to gain enormous knowledge. Thank you and signing off for the day.